Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video session, I am going to explain the chemical properties of halogens. Under that, first one is oxidizing power. Since all the halogens have greater tendency to gain an electron, accept an electron, hence they readily undergo reduction. Hence all the halogens acts as a oxidizing agent. Namagu gottide yav electron, addition of electron is nothing but reduction. The species will undergo reduction is called the oxidizing agent. Since all the halogens have greater tendency to gain an electron, accept an electron, hence they act as a good oxidizing agent. Here the oxidizing power decreases from fluorine to iodine. Yakandre fluorine is more electronegative in nature. They readily undergo reduction. Hence fluorine is a powerful oxidizing agent. And the oxidizing power decreases from fluorine to iodine. ಈಗ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಆ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಿಯರ್ we know that compared to all halogens, fluorine acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. This fluorine will oxidize other halide ions to corresponding halogen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ X represent either chlorine or bromine or iodine. Here fluorine will oxidize other halide ions such as Cl- or Br- or iodide ion to the corresponding halogen. Here F2 ididenagutte F- agutte and halide ions gets oxidized into halogen. Here the oxidation state changes from -1 to 0 andre increase in oxidation number that represent oxidation. Equation balance ಮಾಡೋಣ. Number of fluorine 2 ಇದೆ, here 2. Halogen 2 ಇದೆ, here 2. Clear? Fluorine will oxidize other halide ions in aqueous medium to the corresponding halogen. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು potassium chloride solution ಆದಾಗ when fluorine is treated with potassium chloride solution, the chloride ions present in the solution gets oxidized to chlorine. Bromide ions gets oxidized to bromine and iodide ions gets oxidized to iodine. Similarly, chlorine will oxidize bromide and iodide ion. Here X represent not fluorine, it is either bromine or iodine. Chlorine will oxidize bromide and or iodide ion to the corresponding halogen. Bromide ions ididu bromine agutte, iodide ions gets oxidized to iodine, and Cl2 ididu enagutte Cl- agutte and halide ions are oxidized to halogen. Equation balance ಮಾಡೋಣ. Number of chlorine 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2. Number of halogen 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2. Equation is balanced. Chlorine will oxidize only bromide and iodide ion to the corresponding halogen. Similarly, bromine will oxidize iodide ion, only iodide ion. Here X represent iodine, iodide ion ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ Br2 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು Br- ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, halide ions are gets oxidized to halogen. Equation balance ಮಾಡೋಣ. bromine 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2. halogen 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2. Clear? From these equations it is clear that the halogens acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. These halogens will oxidize other halide ion to the corresponding halogen. Halide ions iddidana halogens agi oxidize ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. In general we can say that the halogen with the lower atomic number will oxidize the halide ion with higher atomic number. ನೋಡಿ, fluorine will oxidize the higher atomic number halide ions such as Cl-, Br-, I- to the corresponding halogen. And here this chlorine will oxidize the higher atomic number halide ions such as Br-, I- ion to the corresponding halogen. Here bromine will oxidize higher atomic number halide ions such as iodide ion to the corresponding iodine. Here, since all the halogens with a lower atomic number will oxidize the halide ion with the higher atomic number. And compared to all other halogens, fluorine acts as a strong oxidizing agent because it is having a more electronegative character. It readily undergo reduction. We know that the substance or the species will undergo reduction is called oxidizing agent. Okay, I will take one example. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Since fluorine is a stronger or powerful oxidizing agent which oxidizes water to oxygen. Water na fluorine jothe combine ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the product formed is a HF and water gets oxidized to O2. Equation balance ಮಾಡೋಣ. Number of oxygen atoms in the product side are 2. Here make it 2. Number of hydrogens are 4. Here 4. Fluorine atoms 4 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Equation balance ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the reaction of fluorine with water. But the reaction of chlorine and bromine with water is different. Here, suppose when chlorine or bromine reacts with water, here chlorine and bromine oxidize water to corresponding hypohalous acid. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ H combines with chlorine to form HCl along with ವಾಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬರೋ ಬದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಹೈಪೋಕ್ಲೋರಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ HBr ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಪೋಬ್ರೋಮಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಹೈಪೋಬ್ರೋಮಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ 2, hydrogens 2, oxygen 1. Only chlorine and the reactivity of chlorine and bromine with water is different from that of fluorine, because here fluorine is acts as a powerful oxidizing agent which oxidize water to oxygen, but chlorine and bromine will oxidize water to corresponding halogen acid along with the hypohalous acid. But the reactivity of iodine with water is a non-spontaneous. adu reaction agalla, non-spontaneous, but reverse reaction takes place. Andre for example, iodide ion in presence of acid will undergo oxidation to form to form I2 and H2. This reaction is possible, and this is almost reverse to that of first reaction. Fluorine with water reaction ಆದಾಗ HF ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸೇಮ್. HF ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ HI ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, HI ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ I2 ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ HI ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಓಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ 4 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ 2, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 2, ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. Hence, this is the reaction of halogen with the water. And finally, the reaction of iodine with water is different. It means it is reversible in nature. And the first reaction ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದೇ ತರ opposite reaction of iodine with water ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is about the oxidizing power of corresponding halogens. Which is the powerful oxidizing agent? Fluorine. The weak oxidizing agent is iodine. Next, anomalous behavior of halogen, fluorine. Anomalous behavior, very very important. Anomalous character or anomalous behavior of fluorine. We know that the first member of each group will having a different property compared to other elements. ಈಗ 17th group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ದ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ somewhat different to that of other element in the group. Hence, fluorine is having a different property that is called anomalous property or anomalous behavior. Sometime in examination they will ask write the or give the anomalous properties of fluorine. What are the anomalous properties of fluorine? First one is HF is liquid, but other halogen acids are gases. For example, HCl, HBr, HI. These halogen acids are gases at room temperature, but HF is liquid. What is the reason? Due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. ನೋಡಿ HF molecule ಮಧ್ಯೆ intermolecular hydrogen partial positive, partial negative, partial positive, partial negative. This is a dipole molecule, this is dipole molecule. Fluorine hydrogen ಮಧ್ಯೆ strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding develop ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Because the first anomalous property of fluorine is HF is liquid, but other halogen acids are gases at room temperature. Why HF is liquid? Due to the formation of strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And fluorine does not form +1 or any other positive oxidation state. Cannot form antane ಹೇಳಿ. Cannot form +1 or any other oxidation state. Any other positive oxidation state. Any other positive oxidation state due to the unavailability or non-availability of vacant d orbital. The most electronegative itself of fluorine, idikkinta jaasti electronegative element illa, hence fluorine cannot form +1 or any other positive oxidation state. But chlorine, bromine, iodine will exhibit +1, +3, +5, +7 oxidation states also due to the presence of vacant d orbital in the valence shell. And some properties like ionization energy, electronegativity, electrode potential values. Electrode potential values are very high. Electrode potential values are very high compared to other elements. This is also one of the anomalous property. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್, ಬೇರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗೆ ಅಯನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. Then melting point and boiling point values, melting point and boiling point values. Then fluorine bond dissociation energy, fluorine bond dissociation energy, and electron gain enthalpy values, electron gain enthalpy values, enthalpy values. See, ionic or covalent radius, fluorine bond dissociation energy, melting point and boiling point values, and electron gain enthalpy values are lower than the expected. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅನಾಮಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. What are the anomalous properties of fluorine? HF is liquid due to hydrogen bonding, other halogen acids are gases. Okay, and fluorine cannot form +1 or any other positive oxidation state due to the non-availability of vacant d orbital. Ionization energy, electronegativity, electrode potential values are very high compared to other elements. And some other properties like ionic or covalent radius, fluorine bond dissociation energy, melting point and boiling point, and electron gain enthalpy values are less than the expected compared to other elements. And these are the anomalous behavior of fluorine. Then what are the reasons for the anomalous properties of fluorine anta enadu kelidre, anomalous properties andre idanna explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The reasons for the anomalous properties of fluorine andre because of small size ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ is having high ionization energy and fluorine bond dissociation energy is less than compared to other halogens. Then due to the non-availability of vacant d orbital in the valence shell. These are the anomalous properties of, these are the reasons for the anomalous properties of fluorine. First, what are the reasons for the anomalous properties of fluorine anta kelidre? The first reason is because of small size. Second one is due to high ionization energy. Third one is due to the less small or lower fluorine bond dissociation energy. And the fourth one is due to the non-availability of vacant d orbital in the valence shell of fluorine. These are the some reasons for the anomalous properties of fluorine. Okay, then the second chemical property, that is reactivity towards hydrogen. Reactivity towards hydrogen, that is the second chemical property. Reactivity towards hydrogen. Reactivity towards hydrogen. Reactivity towards hydrogen. Here, all the halogens readily combines with hydrogen to form hydrogen halide. All the halogens are represented by X2. When all the halogens readily combines with hydrogen to form hydrogen halide or halogen acid of the type HX. Hydrogen 2 ಇದೆ, halogen 2 ಇದೆ, hence 2 here. When all the halogens readily combines with hydrogen to form hydrogen halides or halogen acids of the type HX. Here, the reactivity of halogen. What is X represent? Here, X represent either fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. The reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Hagadre, which halogen is highly reactive towards hydrogen? Andre fluorine. Which is least reactive towards hydrogen? Andre that is iodine. Here, hydrogen violently combines with the fluorine to form HF. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಟಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ವೈಲೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ HF. This is highly reactive. And when hydrogen combines with chlorine only in presence of diffuse sunlight. ನೋಡಿ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. In presence of diffuse sunlight, hydrogen combines with chlorine to form HCl. Similarly, hydrogen combines with bromine only on heating to form HBr. And similarly, hydrogen combines with iodine on heating in presence of a catalyst platinum to form HI. Here, all the halogens readily combines with hydrogen to form corresponding halogen acid. But the reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen decreases on moving down the group. Which is highly reactive towards hydrogen? Fluorine. No need for heating, no need for sunlight or catalyst is also not required. Fluorine violently reacts with hydrogen to form HF. Chlorine reacts with hydrogen in presence of diffuse sunlight. Hydrogen combines with bromine only on heating, but hydrogen combines with iodine on heating in presence of platinum catalyst. Hence, the reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen decreases on moving from fluorine to iodine. Here, let me explain some properties of halogen acid. For example, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. What are the properties are in this order? What are the properties are in this order? ಈಗ HF ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ. Which halogen acid is having highest thermal stability? HF. Thermally stable because HF is having high bond dissociation energy. High bond strength ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ. Bond strength is very high. Here, thermal stability decreases from HF to HI. HF is having thermally stable and HI is thermally less stable. And HF is having high bond dissociation energy or bond strength because of smaller size. Bond strength ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, HI ಗೆ bond strength ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And dipole moment is highest for HF due to the high electronegativity of fluorine. Dipole moment is maximum. And dipole moment decreases from HF to HI. And percentage of ionic character. Which halogen acid is having the highest percentage of ionic character? HF. The reason is because of more electronegative character. These are the properties are in this order. Okay, let us see the opposite order. HF, HCl, HBr, HI. ಈಗ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು HI ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. Which halogen acid is a strong acid ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can say that HI. Least acidic nature is HF. And bond length. which halogen acid is having a highest bond length? HI, because of larger atomic radius. As the atomic radius increases, bond length increases. HF ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, fluorine are in ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ, bromine, iodine. As the atomic radius increases, bond length also increases. And reducing power and the tendency to undergo reduction, oxidation, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? HI. These are the properties are in this order. Okay, let us see the melting point and boiling point values. Which order is correct? Usually in NEET and CET or objective point of view, this is very important. Okay, let us see the order of boiling point of halogen acid. Boiling point. See, the boiling point is mainly depends upon the molecular mass. As the molecular mass increases, van der Waals force of attraction increases, even boiling point also increases. Okay, hagadre which halogen acid is having a higher molecular mass? Definitely HF. Then iga order andre HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Okay, compared to HBr and HI, which is having higher atomic radius? Iodine. Hence HI is having higher boiling point compared to HBr. Compared to HBr and HCl, HBr is having higher boiling point. Compared to HCl and HF, which is having boiling point, higher boiling point compared to all other halogen acid. There is one exception. Compared to all halogen acid, HF is having high boiling point. Can you tell me the reason? Even though fluorine is having smaller atomic radius, its boiling point is very high. The reason is, in HF there is a formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Hence, compared to all other halogen acid, the highest boiling point is for HF. Then melting point. The order of melting point is HCl, HBr, HF and HI. HI is having highest melting point and HCl is having least melting point. This is the order of melting point values of different halogen acids. Okay, next one, third one is reactivity towards oxygen. Third one, reactivity towards oxygen. Reactivity towards oxygen. Here, all the halogens combines with oxygen to form binary compounds or oxides antane helbodu. Most of them are unstable antane helbodu. Most of the halogens readily combines with oxygen to form binary compounds or oxides. Those are highly unstable in nature. Okay, ಈಗ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ? -1 ಇದೆ, +1 ಇದೆ, +4 ಇದೆ, +5 ಇದೆ, +6 ಇದೆ and also +7. Okay, I will take first example. Different halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, when fluorine combines with oxygen to form two binary compound. First one is OF2 and another one is O2F2. Here chlorine reacts with oxygen with -1 oxidation state is not possible. -1 oxidation state ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ -1 oxidation state ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್. In this example, the oxidation state of fluorine is -1. ಬಟ್ ಈ ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Here OF2 and O2F2. Compared to these two, OF2 is stable at room temperature, O2F2 is unstable. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ OF2 is more stable compared to O2F2. ಈಗ +1 ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡೋಣ. +1 ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ absence of vacant d orbital. But chlorine combines with oxygen to form oxides of chlorine, that is a Cl2O, and also bromine combines with oxygen to form Br2O, and I2O is not possible. Clear? The oxidation state of chlorine is +1. Oxidation state of bromine is +1. These two are the examples of oxides of chlorine and bromine with the +1 oxidation state. Okay, let us see the oxides of halogen with the +4 oxidation state. ಯಾವುದು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಯಾವುದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ -1 oxidation state is possible for fluorine. Okay, for +4 ClO2, BrO2 and I2O4. These are the oxides of halogen in which the halogen is having +4 oxidation state. ClO2, BrO2, I2O4. And +5 oxidation state irtakkantadu onde, that is I2O5. Only the oxide of iodine in which iodine will exhibit +5 oxidation state. Bere yavudu baralla. +6 oxidation state irodu Cl2O6 and ClO3. These are the two examples. Iodine do illa, bromine do illa. Only the oxide of chlorine in which chlorine will exhibit +6 oxidation state. And +7 oxidation state irtakkantadu Cl2O7. Chlorine ಇದೆ, that is a Cl2O7 ಇದೆ, I2O7 ಇಲ್ಲ. I2O7 ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, sorry. Even iodine also reacts with oxygen to form I2O7. In I2O7 the oxidation number of iodine is +7. These are the some oxides of halogen which readily combines with oxygen to form oxide. These are the oxides of halogen antane ಹೇಳೋದು. Here O2F2 and OF2 are acts as a strong fluorinating agent. They can really produce fluorine. Oxidizing agent andre the substance which produces nascent oxygen. Reducing agent andre the substance which produces nascent hydrogen. Fluorinating agents andre the substance which produces nascent fluorine atoms na ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. Hence OF2 and O2F2 are acts as a powerful fluorinating agent. And the order of strength of oxides ಅಂದ್ರೆ acidic strength ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. The stability of oxides decreases in this order. Stability ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Oxides of iodine is more stable compared to chlorine than bromine and fluorine. These are the stability of the oxides of halogen. Oxides of iodine is said to be more stable compared to oxides of chlorine than oxides of bromine, and the least stability is for fluorine. This is the order of stability of oxides of halogen. Oxides of iodine is said to be more stable and oxides of fluorine is said to be least stable. And acidic character, okay, stability we can also explain in terms of oxidation number. Here higher the oxidation number, okay, ಈಗ oxides of iodine is said to be more stable compared to oxides of chlorine ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Okay, compared to these oxides of chlorine, all these are the oxides of chlorine in which is more stable. Here based on the oxidation number we can explain the stability. Higher the oxidation number of the halogen in oxide, higher will be the stability. Compared to Cl2O7 and Cl2O, compared to Cl2O7 and Cl2O, which is more stable, Cl2O7 is more stable, because in Cl2O7 the oxidation number of chlorine is +7, in Cl2O the oxidation number of chlorine is +1. Higher the oxidation number of the halogen, higher will be the stability. Compared to Cl2O and ClO2 is more stable. Cl2O6 compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is more stable. Compared to Cl2O6 and Cl2O7 it is more stable. Compared to oxides of chlorine and oxides of iodine, which is more stable, oxides of iodine are more stable than oxides of chlorine, than oxides of bromine. Okay, and the ClO2, here the ClO2 oxide of chlorine, that is ClO2, acts as a bleaching agent. ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಈಸ್ I2O5, ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ I2O5 ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ as a strong oxidizing agent and which is used in the estimation of carbon monoxide. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೇಮ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಇದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ used in the estimation of carbon monoxide andre, that is I2O5, which acts as a good oxidizing agent which is used in the estimation of carbon monoxide. These are the oxides of halogens or the reactivity of halogen towards oxygen. Remember, the stability of oxides of iodine is more compared to chlorides than bromine, and the least one is fluorides. Compared to OF2 and O2F2, which is more stable? OF2 is more stable, but O2F2 is least stable. Okay, then reactivity towards metal. Fourth one is reactivity towards metal. Fourth one is reactivity towards metal. Reactivity towards metal. Okay, here all the halogens readily combines with metal to form metal halides. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆನ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ chlorine to form magnesium chloride, or magnesium reacts with fluorine to form magnesium fluoride. All the halogens readily combines with the halogen to form corresponding halides. Here the covalent character, ionic character ಗೆ ತಗೋಣ. ionic character ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ metal fluorine. Metal fluorides are having higher ionic character. Ionic character. And explaining the ionic character of metal halides. Metal fluoride. Suppose when magnesium reacts with fluorine to form magnesium fluoride. Magnesium fluoride is having higher ionic character compared to magnesium chloride. Metal chloride, then metal bromide, then metal iodide. This is the order of ionic character of metal halides in metal halogen bond in metal halides. Here, in metal halides, if the metal will exhibit more than one oxidation state, ಈಗ more than one oxidation state ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, SN tin reacts with tin is a metal which reacts with chlorine to form SnCl2 along with SnCl4. Because tin is having two stable oxidation state, one is a +2 and another one is +4. If the metal having more than one oxidation state, in which metal halide the metal possesses higher oxidation state, is said to be higher covalent character. ಯಾರಿಗೆ covalent character ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? Higher the oxidation state of the central metal atom, higher will be the covalent character. Clear? Similarly, even lead combines with chlorine to form PbCl2 and PbCl4, which is having higher covalent character. Higher covalent character is PbCl2 and PbCl4, which is in this example, in which example the metal will shows higher oxidation number? Exactly in PbCl4. Here +4, here +2, hence higher the oxidation number of the metal in metal halides, higher will be the covalent character. Similarly, in antimony reacts with chlorine to form SbCl3 as well as SbCl5. Metal reacts with chlorine to form metal halides. Metal reacts with chlorine to halogen to form metal halide. In this Sb, the oxidation number is +3, here +5, which is having higher oxidation number, that will having higher covalent character. Higher the oxidation number of the metal in metal halide, higher will be the covalent character. Metal fluoride is having higher ionic character. The reason is fluorine is more electronegative in nature, and least ionic character is metal iodine bond. And the last one is reactivity towards other halogens. Fifth one, reactivity towards other halogens. Reactivity towards other halogens. Reactivity towards other halogens. See, the halogens reacts combines with each other. ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. The halogen combines with each other to form a compounds called interhalogen compound. Interhalogen compounds na ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. When halogen combines with each other to form interhalogen compounds of the type XX dash x, x dash 3, x dash 5, x dash 7. In this, the halogen is having plus 1 oxidation state, here plus 3 oxidation state, here plus 5 oxidation state, here plus 7 oxidation state. Halogen combines with other halogens to form compounds of the type compounds called interhalogen compound with oxidation state plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. Sir, what is that x and x dash? Here, x represent larger halogen, larger size halogen, and x dash is smaller size halogen, For example, ClF3 and the word ClF3. Here chlorine combines with fluorine, both are halogen, but here chlorine is represented as x and F is represented as x dash. Here in ClF3 the oxidation number of chlorine is plus 3, this type. We will discuss later what are interhalogen compounds in detail in the next coming classes. Okay, reactivity towards other halogens. When halogens combines with each other to form compounds of the type interhalogen compound. Example, x dash, x dash 3, x dash 5 and x dash 7. These are the some concept physical properties of halogens. 17th rule. Okay, let us solve some objectives. Okay, the question is the stability of halides in the order anta keli. ಈಗ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿನ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾವುದರ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಯಾವ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ಯಾವ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ HF. HF ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ compared to HCl, then HBr, then HI. This is the correct order of stability of different halogen acid. Options ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. HI ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು HBr ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, then the boiling point is least for. Boiling point is least for. Next question. ಈಗ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, HCl ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. HCl ಗಿಂತ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ HBr ಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ದೆನ್ HI ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ HO. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು, ದ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ HCl ಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಈವನ್ HCF ಗೂ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಫಿನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅಫಿನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ halogen is maximum for. ಈಗ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The question is the affinity for hydrogen is maximum. ಇವ್ರ 4 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಗೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಫಿನಿಟಿ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? All the halogens readily combines with hydrogen to form halogen acid. Which halogen is highly reactive towards hydrogen? Definitely fluorine. Fluorine violently combines with hydrogen to form HF. Okay, and the next question is which of the following is the weakest acid? Acidic character ille tagolli. Weakest strong acid yavu compared to HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Which is strong acid? Definitely acidic strength increases from HF to HI. ಯಾಕೆ acidic strength increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Bond length increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, HF to bond length, HCl to bond length, HBr to bond length, HI to bond length. ಈ ತರ assume ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. As the size of the halogen atom increases, bond length increases. As a bond length increases, bond dissociation energy decreases. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ HI ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, since it produces H plus ions more readily. Hence HI is said to be more acidic character compared to HBr, HCl than HF. Okay, This is about today's class. In the next video class, we will start the preparations and chemical properties of chlorine.